Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy E46 Source here. Today I'm bringing you a video on how to add a subwoofer to your existing factory Logic 7 BMW unit. So right now we're in the trunk. What you want to do is go to the left side of your trunk. You have a little access panel right here. Take this access panel off. You're gonna locate your Logic 7 trunk. Logic 7 amp. This is also, if you don't know if you have a Logic 7 or the hi-fi or any other sound package, if your amplifier is silver, you have Logic 7. If it's black, it is mostly hi-fi or one of the other packages. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to add a subwoofer to that existing factory unit. So I went ahead and took the wiring harness off the side of the amp, but it's easy. All you do is just move this release clamp over to the left. Over to the right to unlock it. Move it back to the left to lock it. Go ahead and take it out. What I'm about to do is get me a box cutter and cut this Kevlar tape off. And then once I get that done, I'm gonna show you the wires that we're gonna tap into to add a aftermarket amplifier. So let me get this cut and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and connected my wires up to my speaker wires. This is the harness that plugs into my Logic 7 amplifier. I got some quick connects that I went ahead and tapped into the lines. I want to show the amp I bought here that I'm gonna be powering my subwoofers with. Bought an amplifier amp, and the reason I bought this amp is because you can hook up to your speakers and then plug this connector into the side of your amp, and you will not have to have a remote wire. If you hook it up this way, the amp will automatically cut on when it detects a source coming through your speaker wires. I have more information on that once I get everything hooked up, but what I did is went ahead and hooked your speaker wires, so the lines that you want to tap into, and these are for the speakers that's under your seat, for your subs that's under your seat. I tapped into those wires. You want to tap into the red and white and the brown and yellow. And then on the other side, you want to tap into brown and white and blue and red. Those are the wire connectors for your subs that are under your seat. Those are the wires that I tapped into so that I can hook up the sub. Alright, so I'm going to get everything cleaned up and I'll be back with the next step. Alright guys, I'm back. And I just want to come back and show you the amplifier one more time before I clean everything up and hide these wires. I just want to go back to the wiring on your Logic 7 amp just to remind y'all what wires you're looking for. When you own this amp wiring harness, I already got it plugged back in and kind of taped up. But the cord that you're looking for on the amplifier is red and white and brown and yellow. And that's going to be for your right mid-bass speaker that's under your seat. And then you're going to look for the brown and white and red and blue wire on this wiring harness. That is for your left mid-bass speaker that goes up under your seat. Now what I did was I just took some speaker wire and ran it to the wiring harness for the Alpine amp, because of course this wire right here is not long enough. It's a very short wire, and it does work. I already tested it. But what you're gonna do is take your, let's make sure I got it right here. You're gonna take your red and white and brown and yellow, and again that's for your right. And you're gonna tie those into the gray and purple wires. The gray with the stripe gray and black is for your negative. Your all gray is your positive, and the same for the green wire, or the purple wire. I'm sorry, I'm getting things mixed up here. I got two wires in my hand. But the way it goes is, if you're looking at the wiring harness that plugs into your amplifier, it's left, right, left, right. And so what I did, they want you to hook 4 channels, 4 speakers up to this wire. But since you only have 2 of the mid-bass speakers, I went ahead and tied them together. So as you can see, I have both left and right speakers tied together. I'm sorry, I have both left speakers tied together and both right speakers tied together. So I just wanted to give y'all an update on how I did the wiring. If you have any further questions, just hit me in the comments. You know, I'll read all my comments and I answer below. But I just wanted to go through this one more time just to show y'all before I hide all the wiring, which wires that you're looking for. And I'm gonna try to include a diagram. If I don't include it in the video, I'll include the link to the diagram down in the description below, so you can know what color wires to look for. It's a wiring diagram that's on BMW forums. It'll tell you what speakers are tied to help you out. So I'm gonna get these wires tucked, and we'll be back. All right, guys. So I went ahead and got the gain